All right, here I have 2 different packs of Lash tweezers. The packaging is really nice. This one has a nice snap to it. This one here just has a little band on the front. You can do it. So these are wonderful 90-degree tweezers that help with that beautiful lash boost that you're looking for. They have a little slightly different to them, little head stem there. That helps really well. I find that they work really well with any type of lashes, any brand of lashes. They have a nice grip to them here, nice weight to them. They're not too heavy, but it's heavy enough that you know that there's something in your hand, you can control it very well. They seem very great quality, perfect for beginners or for experienced people putting on their lashes. This set here, I love it, the white with a beautiful gold tip to them. Same kind of grip to them as the other pack. Very consistent. These ones are a little bit longer, and I find they also are very good for taking off the lashes also. I like how this one here has a little roller to it. Great quality. I love them so far. I don't have any complaints to them. I'd highly recommend them.